A change of tenancy is essential. It moves the responsibility of the bill payments from the outgoing tenant to the incoming tenant. In this case, as a developer, the accounts were set up to get meters on the wall. Once the tenants moved in, the developer didn't do the change of tenancy straight away. So for a period, he was receiving bills that didn't belong to him. The usage from the houses was actually from the incoming tenant. Unfortunately, without completing that change of tenancy, the developer will always receive the bill. Now, it's important to contact the electric supplier, the gas supplier, or the water network to confirm that you're moving into that property. You need to give them your meter reading, your name, your contact number, etc., so that an account can be set up in your name. Ultimately, from that point onwards, you will start paying bills until the day that you move out of the property and complete an outgoing change of tenancy as well. From the perspective of an investor or a developer who's been responsible for a development, if you don't do a change of tenancy, then you're going to be responsible for those bills.